Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video right now. So this video is like vlog style, creating Pinterest images. So this is my first outfit which I'm wearing. This is a basic white t-shirt. This look which I'm creating, I'm gonna post it here. So this is the look, guys. So this is, of course, the t-shirt is like loose and nice, but I don't have a white t-shirt. And I was like, oh my god, I don't have a basic white t-shirt. Like, I keep on saying that you have to have this wardrobe essentials and all, and myself, I don't have them. So next time I'm gonna buy that because I really loved how this looked on me. So yeah, and this rings I'm wearing, and guys, this nail polish. Oh my god, I had to say this. There is so many regarding this. Sorry, I'm sweating because there is no fan and there is very light here. So all this, no makeup, and the lipstick also is like normal. Like, because in that photograph she was not wearing. She was wearing some nude lip balm. So this for me. So in the black nail polish, I don't have a black. I have two of the black nail polishes and two of them are like really super dry, I guess. I'm not able to open the cap. Like two of them. See my, that's how it started. So then I thought I had this wine color, which is almost like, if you look at from afar, it looks like a black. So this for another look, guys. And even in this look, she was wearing black nails. So yeah, it goes with the two of them. So this first one, I'm quickly gonna go. My friend is waiting. I had to go. And we were gonna click this picture in some grocery store or mall or somewhere. So let's see. Cheers to some awkward stares and weird people staring at us. Let's see how that goes. I'll meet you in another end. Vibe and awkwardness. డెసిషన్ ఇది చేద్దాం అనుకోవడం. Eternity later. Done with the third one, and this is how I look. Anu, how was it? Dangerous. అన్నిట్లో ఇది చాలా కష్టమైనది. Like, seriously, it took us so much time for this single thing. Oh my god, I didn't off the fan. Background. For that background. I know, off the fan. And we don't have a black background, so we have to use this kurtas. And I don't have a gold statement ring, so I'm using my sanitizer ring. And I did only one eye because see the other eye. But hopefully this will turn out to be good. Now you're gonna see this. This is the last one. I'm really happy, and I'm not going to do this kind of videos again because it's so much pain. I don't know how people do it. They do it like, oh my god, seriously, Ada? Anu? I really appreciate people who do this on every day. They do a lot of recreations and all.
Hats up to them.
Oh, seriously, it's so much pain. సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు యూ కెన్ సీ ద రీక్రియేషన్. హోప్ఫుల్లీ మంచిగా వచ్చింది అనుకుంటున్నాను. And with that, only 3 looks we try to pull off, and only one outdoor, and outdoor kuda chaala chukkaga anpichinayi. We got some awkward stares too, and but not that much bad it was. The people were like okay. So that is how it went, guys. Hope you like it. Hope it was nice to watch this video.
Please do subscribe.
Yeah. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and this video deserves much more attention because a lot of hard work went into this video. So yeah, until next, bye bye guys.